Welcome to our CPU showdown. Today we are diving deep into the battle between Intel's Core i7-14700K and AMD's Ryzen 9 9950X3D. Both processors are designed for high-end gaming and productivity, but they take different approaches to achieve their goals. The Intel Core i7-14700K boasts a hybrid architecture with 20 cores, making it a multitasking powerhouse, while the Ryzen 9 9950X3D leverages cutting-edge 3D V-cache technology to deliver unparalleled gaming performance. Let's find out which one is the best choice for you. When it comes to gaming performance, the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D takes the lead with its innovative 3D V-cache technology, which significantly enhances frame rates in cache-sensitive games. On the other hand, the Intel Core i7-14700K excels in multitasking scenarios, thanks to its hybrid architecture that combines performance and efficiency cores. While both CPUs are capable of delivering high frame rates, the Ryzen 9 9950X3D is specifically optimized for gaming, making it the preferred choice for gamers seeking the best performance. In terms of pricing, the Intel Core i7-14700K is significantly more affordable at $464, offering great value for gamers and content creators alike. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D comes with a premium price tag of $699, reflecting its advanced technology and gaming capabilities. While the Ryzen 9 9950X3D may be the better performer in gaming, the i7-14700K provides a compelling option for those on a budget who still want excellent performance. The architecture of these two processors is quite different. The Intel Core i7-14700K features a hybrid design with 20 cores, combining performance and efficiency cores to optimize both gaming and productivity tasks. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D utilizes the next-gen Zen 5 architecture, which focuses on maximizing gaming performance through its extensive L3 cache. This architectural difference highlights the unique strengths of each CPU, catering to different user needs. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i7-14700K and AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D are exceptional processors, each with its own strengths. The i7-14700K offers great value and versatility, while the Ryzen 9 9950X3D sets a new standard for gaming performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.